Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is NONNIE, and in this channel we talk about beauty, lifestyle, DIY tips, natural health, and a lot of other good stuff. So if you like the sound of that, smash that red subscription button, turn on the post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So today I want to do a little vlog. My mom sent me some things for Mother's Day. My mom sent me Mother's Day package, so I'm going to go to the park to get them. Then after that, I have a child dedication that we need to attend. But because my husband is not around, he traveled, I will be attending the child dedication with my brother-in-law. So I will be showing you some clip from the child dedication and also unboxing the gifts, the package sent to me by my lovely mom, so that you guys can help me thank her and pray for her that God should continue to bless her and keep her for me and for all my siblings. So guys, let's go. I just woke up from sleep now. I need to go freshen up, like makeup and then dress for the whole event or for the whole activities of the day. Firstly pick up the package and then get to the child dedication, because the child dedication is not too far from my home, but where I'm picking the package is in town, Otako. That's where I'm going to pick the package. So when I drive to that side, I'll come back. As I'm coming back, I'll go for the child dedication. Child dedication party. So let's go there. So guys, see all the packages, see back, see yam, see everything, see palm oil. So I'm going to be opening the other bag to see what is inside, and I'll be showing you guys what's inside. Oh my God, thank you mommy, this is amazing, thank you so much. God, I thank you for giving me a mom like my mama. Thank you so much. Okazi, hi! Enough Okazi. I'm going to eat yam. Yam and palm oil. Oh my God. I can't wait. I've missed this food though. Oh my God. This is Okazi. Yes, Okazi. That's Afam. Calabar people call it Afam. This is Oziza hot leaf. Please, this is Ofo and the Opo. Aku, that's for banga. This is Aku. So I am going to be cooking banga. It's not all those Greek one that we used to buy here. This one a real native banga, real one. You can see how fresh it is. Native banga. This is Gary. Oh my God, mommy, thank you so much. I love you. This is Ogbala. Which kind soup? Mama Kuko. Ogbala soup. This is Ogbolo. obola. This is dried plantain, and this is dried cassava. This is dried plantain. So both of them we'll grind the both of them together to make swallow. Hey, mommy, you did well. Mommy, thank you so much. See, a lot of okazi. See, yam. This is palm oil. Palm oil. Oh my God. Hey, this woman never ceases to amaze me. Oh, mommy, thank you. See, even bought clothes. She even bought clothes for me, you can imagine. I don't even know if it's for me or for my sister, but I'll call her. She had to find out who has the clothes. So she bought clothes. In case you see me rocking this, no, it was given to me by my mama. This is a Mother's Day gift package in full. Hey, this is not much, but the okazi, this one can last me for a very long time. So this is all I've got. This one is obola, as I said before. This is palm oil. This is okazi. All these ones are okazi. This is palm oil, fresh one from as in native Banga palm oil, not the akuraku palm oil. Hey, don't be those ones that they used to mix for us, and when you use it and cook, you don't know if it's color you added to your food or not. So this is oziza. You already know this one. And this is my otazi. Hey, this is one as in I say, please don't forget this leaf. I love to eat yam or plantain or ripe plantain with this leaf. Otazi is very bitter, but I love bitter things, sha. So this is otazi, and it's very medicinal. It has a lot of. Don't worry, I'm going to be telling you people the benefit of this otazi, and I'll use it to do my yam sauce. So that's all. My mommy, thank you so much. See Gary now, Gary. Hey, God bless you, mommy. God bless you and continue to keep you for us in Jesus' name. Oh, I love you, mommy. Oh, I love you so much. Thank you, mommy. Kiara, stop that. Stand up. Thank you, mommy.